Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Stephen Marley here, son of the great Bob Marley, and this song is called Old Soul. So a great song here. He sings about his childhood, and you can see pictures flashing by there in the music video. Great song there. We have one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. It's a pretty long one, but anyway, same way. So we're gonna look at that now. We'll start with the capo on the first fret to match up with the sound here and have the easiest chords possible. So capo on first, and let's go over the chords. We have first the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have this A, but with the C sharp in the bass. So what I do here, I'll place a bar on the second fret from the D string and down, so 4 strings from bottom and up. And then I add the 4th fret on the A string, that's the C sharp note. When I do this, I try to avoid the last E string here when I use the strumming later. Alright, so that's the AC chord. We have the next bar chord again, it's a B minor. So I place a bar still now on the second fret. This time you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings now, and the rest will be 3rd on D, 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we'll go with another bar chord here, the F sharp minor, again on the second fret. That's where you place the bar, this time over all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we'll come to this grip here. That's a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So you have the 2nd fret E string, then I mute usually the next A string there. You can have it open as well, but I usually mute it. I just lean this finger, the index finger, on top of the A string so it gets muted like this. Then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now. So we have one pattern that usually splits over 2 chords. Some phase there, it will be over 3 chords. Anyway, it looks the same when it comes to the strumming. All right, so we will look at the first transition there. That's the strumming pattern covers 2 chords. That's the D to the AC chord. So it looks and sounds like this. All right, so the first part will be down, up. So, and after the up there, I like to have this clap if you can. It's not, I mean, it's optional. You can do that if you wish. I like to have it. You don't have to. So down, up, that's the thing you need to focus on. So like that, okay? And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the AC, and play down, down. So it's a pause in between those 2 downs. You can call that the part 2, the down, down. So down, up, down, down. So D, down, up, and then to AC, down, down. So down, up, down, down. All right? And then you go over to the next combo there and continue the same strumming pattern. So that is 1 round, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. That's the rhythm. So let's take a look at the chord progression, and it's pretty much in the same way as the order we learned the chord almost. So we're gonna start here with down, up, down, down. So the D to the AC, we already learned that. So The next part is where it differs a little bit, and then it goes back again to this basic. Now we have 3 chords covered in this strumming pattern. So B minor will be the first one of them. You will play the down up for the B minor in the same way as you started with D. Okay, and then you're gonna split the down between 2 chords. So the first down is A, and then you quickly change to F sharp minor. Okay, so A, F. So this part is B minor, A, F. Okay, we're halfway now, so let's go on with the next combo. You're gonna play G, part 1, the down up, and then you go to the D, F and play down, down. So G and D, F. All right, so that's the next combo. And then we have the final part. It's between the E minor, you play part 1, the down up, and the last is the D again. You start and end with this D, the down, down. So E minor. And there you have 1 round. So just to summarize before we play it, you started with D and the AC. So D, part 1, and AC, part 2. Down, up, down, down. Then we have this part that differs a little bit, the B minor, down, up, part 1. And then the A down, F sharp down. And then we go to the next part. It was the G, down, up, and then the D, F, down, down. And then the final part, E minor, down, up, and then D, down, down. So slowly, 1 round goes like this. Just a little bit faster than this. You have the standard normal tempo, so it goes like this. So on. Yeah, I missed the F sharp minor. I think you understand that's the idea of it. And you have the basic now. You can add like I did. And I just took off a little bit there and lost my thoughts and went back to the 70s, so to speak. So anyway, this is how you handle the Stephen Marley's Old Soul. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know. And till next time, play tuned.